Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video to Eliot's Excel exercises. Today we will be talking about the count blank formula. This formula counts all cells that are empty. As you notice, it's probably comparable to the count A. It's essentially the opposite. Instead of counting all cells that are not empty, counts all cells that are. So let's get started. Right here we have our normal data set. Last time we did the totals number. As you see here, we have 21, 3, and then another 21. So what this formula is the count A. So I left that there for last time. This time we'll be working with the total missing data. So let's get started. We're going to do equals count. Here's blank. Go ahead and hit tab on that. And make your selection like we normally do. And hit enter. As we see, we have a 0. There's not a single empty cell in the range that I selected. So then we can drag this over to the right. And here we have the 18. So it's pretty easy to validate if this is correct, right? Because we know if there's 21 rows in this data set, not including headers or totals or anything, right? It's just the 21 rows and all of them are filled in. And then none of them are not filled in, essentially, right? So here in the coverage paid, it looks like they only paid for 3 checks so far, and we have 1, 2, 3 here. Our count A picked up the 3, so naturally 21 minus 3 is the 18, and we have the 18 blank cells. And again, over here in the balance, even though our coverage paid made it so our balance is equal to 0, those cells are not empty technically, so that's why we're still having a 21 on the count A formula and a 0 on the count blank formula. So this formula is pretty straightforward. I hope that made sense, and I hope to see you next time. See ya.